with Rose Emily, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Today I have, first of all, I'm so excited to share with you this delicious recipe. We're going to be making honey garlic chicken baked in the oven. And you know me, I like easy recipes, but that don't lack in flavor, because, come on now, you can do and create easy recipes that are flavorful too. It doesn't have to take hours in the kitchen. Even though this took hours, but it's so simple to make. You just leave it cooking in the oven for an hour while you do your side dishes, like your rice or your mashed potatoes or whatever it is that you're gonna serve it with. So that way in an hour, everything comes together. Now this is the type of recipe that you're like, why haven't I made this before? Because it's so easy, it's so simple, but so delicious and full of flavor. We're gonna be doing first the sauce, the honey garlic sauce, with 4 ingredients, which is soy sauce, garlic, rice vinegar, and honey. That's it. And then we're gonna season our chicken, bake it in the oven, and you got yourself a delicious meal. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and let's get started with the ingredients. Let's start with our delicious garlic honey sauce. In a bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Let's add about half a cup of soy sauce. And 5 tablespoons of honey. Even though in the video I showed 4 tablespoons, I did add an extra tablespoon, so it's going to be 5 tablespoons of honey. Let's mix well. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Mix well, set that aside, and now let's go to our chicken leg. Now let's get started with my chicken. I have here about 8 chicken legs. I already washed them with vinegar and water, drained it, and added to my bowl. I'm adding 1 tablespoon and a half of salt. We're going to add about half a tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We're going to mix very well. And now we're going to add our honey garlic sauce on top of our chicken. We're going to mix, making sure the sauce is incorporated. And now we're going to add it into our baking dish or baking pan. Let's pour the sauce on top of the chicken. And even though the sauce is runny, the more it cooks, the more thick the sauce is going to get. And it's so good and delicious, and the chicken's going to get a beautiful color. So that's why we're adding the sauce on top. Now we're ready to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour, or until the chicken is fully cooked. And here you go, guys. Delicious, super easy, and ready to enjoy. The last thing I'm going to do is to add fresh parsley on top. And I also added some of the sauce from the pan on top of the chicken so it can be nice and glazed. Now you're ready to enjoy. Serve over mashed potatoes or serve over rice. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.